Oma you bubble boy. Eti ehoni ebesi.
Matimensro.
Bala wala. Oba padio.
Prof ni.
Oba padio. Oba padio.
Yes, what is so papa?
Sir.
Ushodo.
Oh.
Eti no home na.
I for God.
Aye.
For country.
Aye.
Eti no home na. I say abele was mo abaro. Sir. Wo abele was mo abaro. Ejina so say.
Mami na was say even so by I want to have more of you here. Yeah, I want to have more of you here. Bisi, I want to have you more of you. Amen.
Now, no so no.
Yeah.
But I like the way you take things serious.
Yeah.
Find out. Unya journalist for now. Okay, no more. I mean, you nyamu say ya wo krom ha. The MPP and this will be a straight.
Yeah.
Because obianti me jira me dintro.
Baby.
Who say me can be no refer me.
No refer.
I like the way you.
Thank you so much. Ebusia for you see I from me Kobla Abotchie. AK Prof. You didn't come on SC.
Into one name question for the end. Okay, as I see, what's the what can accept Cassia? Nyame mo na kan koso Kenyans asamsa. Because in Govoka Crepi, Govobi in the Kenyans asamsa de Okano. One my example, I am with the past, and we can't come back to Nigeria. So now, what can say? You will history or one matter of paper. Oh, I didn't know for Kuka to be ready with Yamo. It's why I did, Pine, conversation. What being, Yame Mo, Nadia Okano, also ye because mine, you Yama, young come one, yet ye need it, yo. Uchima, Beba, no mano, you better me who ye ankra. Body of you, and I'm a baby, my can't be a cotino, embassy CB. Almost for having a normal meeting. What has no Macajame? Almost a probity said, Sir, a brandy could be no tesoro.
Yeah,
a brandy could be no tesoro. Oh, Brennan, what must have been the Cajame? What's the man here? I'm not a crab blue, any more I took off to Rabagana. Brennan, a catch.
But that's a week, I say, you.
So I commend you for national. You are part of the national development agenda. It's a very good platform that you are using, educating the masses as well. So sincerely, where we have gotten to, let us collectively rise as a country, as the previous, the past president made it known to us that we should be citizens but not spectators.
All right.
That West goes today.
All right, Emmanuel Cherry, CEO, Chamber of Construction. You ever say that was in the way? Na say wama hokama anyway dinkum. I love your conversation, and one day best rest over Befi Hadanka anyway one-on-one. I'll be very grateful.
Thank you very much, Prof Abotchie.
Thank you so much. Ora Emmanuel Cherry, CEO Chamber of Construction, and I'll tell Seminano Edinkum on live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM.
Oh, Minia. Oh, I'm quite day now.
Oh, quite day now.
I mean, that me doing your couple.
Now, me bato, one a minute, I say.
Me bato, me didn't Yahuza, me first to move it to my friend, me debut.
Oh, Yahuza.
Yeah, me bra.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's it.
Me bato, why you Juma? I just did that.
Oh, that be that.
Minia, onu se me. My brother, me boy na radio and a meeting. Radio na menum, radio na mijare. Na in fact, me share quality se wo mu ade we a wo si eye radio juma na. One day who on CNN photo Sarfo.
Amen, oh amen.
Like an eagle eye, nothing can happen.
Ebi mu chira ma dwen says anti-rigging committee na ma set up no kra no. It should have been kept within your camp, not to make it public.
A campaign strategy. Yamamu who say we are watching you. Say me damn it to me pumu. Into Babu who obi one more than the 2 on them. Obeso Charles say to work or gangster meeting there. Gangster meeting who could do one more be the 2 on them. On be you release all your arsenals. But what could be that? Okay.
On your gangster.
You understand?
But what could be that? You have that experience?
Oh, I see. It's in movies. I see it in movies. Yeah, I see it in movies. Abotchie.
Yeah.
I see it in movies.
Dog.
Yeah, I see it in movies. Yeah. I like you.
I also like you. Oh, you're smart.
So I see it in movies. What you are saying? We are letting them know that we are policing this election. Look, the destiny of the youth of the New Patriots.
He's right here. Kofi Ofusu and cancer.
But that's a prof. Oh, nice radio voice, boom, come on.
Oh, sir.
Yeah, but I'm you.
You love the voice.
Yes, you're good. I'm saying our voice here. Yes, my name is Fifi Boafo. So bisa.
Oh, sir.
Oh, good radio voice,
Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you so much for the compliment.
Okay.
If you bono nini imba.
Oh, the entonka.
The former station Classic FM. So what's it?
Automatic Classic.
Yeah. Sa station on ewo yakunama. And ewo o man hende kwabra sante.
Good incubation.
Oh yeah. Thank you so much for the compliment. Now, nyama muti saying?
Oh, nyama.
All right, so for you, welcome to SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country midweek edition. Nande Kaise Ghana Ejina Kono. There's a World Cup qualifier and Yakwako Bono Morocco. I know if that's right. Morocco Nebeko. Now, any country ben ebebo. We have much more details for you in the on SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country, alongside other stories and there and there is going to be primarily sports, because in the Ghana Jinakono and the international qualifiers for the World Cup and of course Ghana. Once we are a nation battling for that particular qualifier, no. And I was again in so yeah, Gramonia, I was all conquered to join him. Now, Utasibiano was seen ye. So we are Romania, I was all bombarding Rosary, no, I was all bombarding now, seen ye. So we are a year Pentecost near, and now to the other Pentecostal churches who praises and worship, no. And then Pai Bono, yeah, Munyeni ye. But all your Buddhist Suswa, the O Yeno, Yeni ye. Traditionalists for Nedi you be on board. The only year so ama Ghana ya qualify to the World Cup no adia me pacho usu also empire bi onimbo biaro pacho bomodi na boss empire no emfama and ya ka say enne no sports no tiro de ye beka gudi hu nsem bebre na de edi kan kra say aban propose say wo mo the sports levy ne primary revenue to fund your sporting activities and of course we'll be getting deep into this particular issue and then the question and they say tax we crowd you maybe say you better than you calculate tax we you say why a bit tax we now me patrol question Nebiuna say, what will be the biggest revenue target resulting from this sports levy? And then you be home come live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Naka Ebio say Electroland Ghana Limited for Maso Asan in Dekesiepa. You can Electroland Ghana Limited. I wanna qua TVs, your air conditioners, your fridges, washing machines, kettles, rice cookers, blenders, all other electronics you can think about. You know, Ebusia wanna acquire Dia Obenyano. Ewo abu mre mukrado ehefa and obetimi hu Electroland Ghana Limited. And what do they do best? Ebusia yemfa nkame na tiefo and live here ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. Lexter Company Limited kai say omuso maso yasene na wi woman no the yards toothpaste and the yards toothbrush abedwamanso. And of course upese wenum ye twatwan we say fita bombarding yas will be a while on TV Siri or damn nipem no serekra no can in SOMPA FM be able who earn and sing me pacho say upaso sereti said the patu at aserema will be a who sing send the sending a fita pacho bombarding nako yusu yards toothpaste and a yard toothbrush and never bought power. That's a guy say I've told you that say drawing no brofukasam you kind of say it's a prophylaxis. A draw yet to fee at the boy and home. And yet draw a was all yarians and wakakonum. One who say time herbal mixture. A baby tremono, yenum do, and a panny we are named you mean in Ariadum. and tis abre amano kasi bomoding na kope a time herbal mixture and no enebeka wasama mau say malaria fever obi ohokra na nenuma to o ntimi ndidi obi ohokra so a ejuma kakra na ho na nyina na ya oba bi o edu anadwora oni ni kunu ye nhemu a de chance me hona me pa top bomoding na nom time herbal mixture and no enebeka wasama mau de wani kire drugstore pharmacy shop bia ebusuan ade a won sa beka kai numbers abe phrase so 02444 17669 02444 17669. As a kai say aye kasa mineral water eso yasen na wie pa enti be obi a no person no nsu a ebeje o pa de a bomodin pa na koje aye kasa natural mineral water bomodin na kope kasa natural mineral water nsu a kasa nsu a wonom a wo to yi nsu bi o no gra ma skin nya fresh we die esan say ye nsu panti no abroforo kra ba fa figa na ha e de kwa amonone enti abusuan de meka che onyina no say so obanu mu nsu pare a eye kasa natural mineral water parties are here, weddings are here, where you are, be pacho, kasa natural mineral water. They say, Yayeno bottle mo, Sasana, sachets and dispensers mo. And the question is, where do you now get it? Metro, Bomodina Cosweti, Juedino. Now, Dr. Pakua, Wogana ha, also boy, Juma Kese no. A friend, Dr. Time, that's so, Dr. Time, that's so. Na me patron de yare kwankra do kurache uji wenjia me patron aye medima for herbal center Dr. Time da so obehwe ama ho ato ehifa na hwe no won ha obehunu anase wo kumase a opedechi akwan ehifa no wo number ben na obefre na siso abusuan bomode na akoso eti adwumadi no ebedi hu adanse pa edi ama ewo SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. And there won't to me issue then the lawyers ni be akasa na asamoa omuda to jana say omu very very confident say air bill conditions are there to niti so 115 million Ghana cedis can 150 billion and over no idea the lawyers no the other to just say the bill conditions would be met this morning because the lawyer penny or cast some way his counsel Andy Apia Kubi Arope and now this answer me etuja Nasaka Abu say Sam George Dafiamapo push for upward review of age limit for military recruits cited global trends as in Komoe everyone Ghana ha says so the 25 krana now kwa I hear be your concern ebe pamo you know push say age limit no ye dey be call a soro kakra e be 35 kra na obetimi akosoja no akosoja